Imagine this. You're standing under a clear night sky, gazing at the moon, bright, silent, and seemingly eternal. But then, a startling question echoes. What if the thing you're looking at isn't natural at all? For decades, scientists and space explorers have uncovered strange clues: an almost impossibly perfect orbit, unusual chemical makeup, and vibrations suggesting it might be hollow inside. All of it pointing toward one shocking possibility: the moon might not be a natural child of the cosmos. Most people see the moon as nothing more than a giant rock, the leftover debris from a cosmic collision billions of years ago. That's what the textbooks say too. But when you dig deeper, the story starts to get strange. Its size, its position, even the way it stabilizes Earth's climate, all of it is so precise, so perfect, that some scientists have admitted it almost feels like someone placed it there. And throughout history, from east to west, humans have passed down legends of gods, sky beings, and mysterious events tied to the moon's arrival. Could these ancient tales hold fragments of the truth? Or is it all just a series of coincidences wrapped in mystery? But here's where things start to get strange. When Apollo astronauts placed seismometers on the moon, they detected something no one expected. During certain impacts, the moon didn't just shake, it rang, like a giant hollow bell. NASA's own reports describe the vibration lasting for hours. Its density is also unusually low for its size, as if the moon is made of lighter material or has vast empty spaces inside. And then there's its orbit, a perfect circular path, rare for natural satellites, almost engineered. Some researchers dismiss these anomalies as coincidence. Others quietly admit they don't have a satisfying explanation. Because if the moon isn't what we think it is, then the question becomes, who or what put it there? Some scientists have proposed a hypothesis so bold that it has sparked fierce debate among astronomers. What if the moon isn't a natural object at all, but a colossal structure placed into Earth's orbit by someone billions of years ago? Two Soviet scientists, Mikhail Vassin and Alexander Shirk, once put forward the spaceship moon hypothesis, suggesting it could be a hollow vessel encased in a thick layer of rock to hide its true nature. And the more we observe, the harder it is to dismiss this idea. From strange metallic echoes during moonquakes, to the fact that its size and distance from Earth are so perfect they create nearly flawless total solar eclipses. As if someone designed it that way, to make us notice. If this is true, then the moon isn't just a dead rock hanging in the night sky. It could be a message, or a warning. From a scientific perspective, the idea that the moon might be a spacecraft sounds absurd. But the deeper you look, the more you realize there are some details that are hard to ignore. First, the moon is unusually large compared to other natural satellites in our solar system. Its size to planet ratio is unlike any other planet-moon pair we know of. Second, its orbit is almost perfectly circular, and it sits at precisely the right distance so that when the sun, moon, and Earth align, we can witness a total solar eclipse with breathtaking precision, a coincidence that is statistically almost impossible. Third, during the Apollo missions, when astronauts allowed the lunar module to crash onto the moon's surface, the moon rang like a hollow bell and kept ringing for tens of minutes. This baffled scientists, as it suggested an unusual internal structure, perhaps even hollow. If all of this is just coincidence, then the odds are suspiciously small. But if it's not, we must ask ourselves, who put it there and why? Imagine a world where the moon suddenly disappears. The tides spiral out of control, coastlines are reshaped overnight, and ecosystems built around lunar cycles collapse. Night falls into a darkness we've never known, and humanity realizes how much we depend on a single celestial body orbiting 384,000 kilometers away. Now imagine the opposite. The moon appears closer, larger in the sky, its craters and valleys visible to the naked eye. The gravitational pull grows stronger, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and massive tidal waves. Even the simplest rhythms of life on Earth are thrown into chaos. And then consider, what if the moon was never a natural object at all? Every perfect orbit, every precise eclipse, every mysterious metallic ring recorded by Apollo missions could be evidence of something intentional, a structure placed here long ago for a purpose we can barely imagine. The thought is unsettling. Who put it there? Why? And if it was deliberate, what message or warning might it carry for us? Next time you look up at the moon, remember, it might be more than just a rock in the sky. It could be the key to questions humanity has yet to understand.